lovers, remember to try this lazy recipe today because you're sure to fall in love with it.
Today's recipe is stir-fried cabbage with crispy spicy shrimp paste. You can use shrimp paste from Kitchen or any supermarket brand. This recipe is all about simplicity and ease, so it's perfect for busy weekdays. Anyone can master it at a glance. The ingredients are very simple, just cabbage, carrot, and shrimp paste chili sauce. Remove the outer leaves of the cabbage, then tear it into small pieces by hand for a better texture. And of course, don't forget to wash the cabbage thoroughly. Hand-torn cabbage has uneven edges that soak up the sauce better and stay extra crispy. Peel and shred the carrot for later. Adding carrot not only makes the dish more colorful, but also boosts its nutrition. First, stir-fry the shredded carrots until fragrant, then add the cabbage and continue stir-frying. Add the shrimp paste, chili sauce, and stir-fry until fragrant. Remember to adjust the salt according to your taste, as the sauce is already seasoned. Stir-fry the cabbage over high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the edges turn slightly translucent, but still retain a crisp bite. The ideal texture is tender yet crunchy. Avoid overcooking to prevent it from becoming soggy. Test doneness by tasting a piece. It should snap gently when chewed. The fragrant shrimp paste chili stir-fried cabbage is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy. This home-style dish really whets the appetite. You'll want to cook extra rice when making it. And hey, it also tastes fantastic stuffed in steamed buns. The stir-fried cabbage hits the palate with an initial umami punch from the shrimp chili paste, followed by a tingling warmth that dances on the tongue. Hand-torn cabbage leaves, their edges slightly curled, release an audible crunch when bitten, their irregular surfaces perfectly trapping the glossy sauce. Shredded carrots contribute a refreshing sweetness while retaining their tender crisp texture, elegantly balancing the robust intensity of the seasoning. Oceanic notes from dried shrimp intertwine with fiery chili in the wok's breath, seeping into every fiber of the vegetables, leaving a lingering aroma that makes you instinctively reach for another scoop of rice where salty, savory, spicy, crisp, and sweet harmonize in every bite. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and K, boosting immunity. Its high fiber content aids digestion. Sulfur compounds help detoxify and fight oxidation. With low calories and high water content, it's ideal for weight management. Vitamin U also protects the stomach lining. Cabbage is an excellent health food for seniors. Its high vitamin K content strengthens bones and helps prevent osteoporosis, while the dietary fiber gently promotes bowel movement, alleviating common constipation issues in the elderly. Additionally, cabbage contains natural vitamin U that protects the stomach lining. Its low-calorie property makes it ideal for older adults managing weight and chronic conditions. The sulfides and antioxidants further contribute to boosting immunity. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.